Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today it's going to be an unboxing and partly sort of a review on the Rival 12 round magazine, and it comes with 18 impact rounds. I have been promising you for the past few weeks that I'm going to have an unboxing of the Rival Zeus. I just finished that video and I just found out my camera wasn't even recording. So I had all the boxes here and everything, and it wasn't even recording, so all my stuff got messed up. So I'm going to have to skip that video, and I'll get a review on it next week. So yeah, let's get into this video. And that's it. So this is the box. Has 12 round magazine written there. The magazine there, 18 round, the 18 round high impact rounds, and the two bits which will clip on to the magazine. Then on the back we have Team Blue and Team Red. We have the Zeus, the Apollo and the face mask, and the blue Zeus, the blue Apollo and the blue face mask. It says Red v Blue. Experience intense head-to-head competition with the ultimate precision and power of Nerf Rival. They have the Nerf and the Rival brand there. It says 18 high impact rounds. So, yeah, let's get into it. So, looks like you can open it from the back. A bit of tape. I might be able to do this without scissors. No. I'm just going to it. There. Tear the cardboard off. Like that. And then out I can get the 12 round magazine. There's the regulations, and then we have here 18 rounds and the clips. Right, so there aren't any instructions to this. No. So I'm guessing we just clip this bit on there, like that, yeah. So I need to take that clip off, and then I can fit that onto the tinny rail. And it just clicks on like that. Then you can put the magazine in there. Like that. Then I have an extra magazine on the side. Once I finish firing, empty that one and put that one back in. Like that. So I can also take that off and put it on the top as well. So yeah, the same magazine as the Zeus has. It'll work in the Apollo, but won't work in the Chaos, and it will still work also in the shotgun one. I forgot what his name is. One, two, three, 4, 5. Yeah. Should have 12 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got 13 in there, so I'm just gonna bring one out. So I don't like the holes. So the way these clips fit on is here on the magazine. There's like an area there without any flat bit, and you can just put it onto there. And then there's one near the bottom as well. and they fit on like that. There's a box. Yeah, but they can also fit right in the middle as well. Like that. And then that also probably makes it sturdier on the Picatinny rail. Ooh. Just to note, they are quite hard to put on the Picatinny rail. You sort of have to put it on and then clip it over like that. Then that just goes in like that. Safety off. So I'm gonna, oh yeah, and Nerf has also done an amazing thing and sent spare Rivals high impact rounds. So put them onto a side, and I'm gonna do a quick firing test of this with the Rivals high impact round and see what it's like. Yeah, and that's and the bounces right back and hitting me. And then once you've done there, you can just take that off. Look it in. Oh. Clip it in. Fire it. Like that. So that's it really for this video. I'm sorry it's a short video. It should have been a bit longer. And it should have been a proper unboxing of the Zeus. So I hope you like this video. Please like it and share it, and comment down below if you did like and share and you have subscribed. So I hope you like the video, and peace.